On August the 1st, 2022, Mrs. Manana Zviad Gamsakhurdia at the Ministry of Defense asked for the response to the letter of the Colonel of the National Guard of the Republic of Georgia, Mr. Vakhtang Lotkobalyan. The letter was sent on February 11th, 2022 and was handed over to the Ministry of Defense on February 15th, 2022. It has been 6 months and they haven't responded. The letter was delivered repeatedly on July 26th of this year. It is complete irresponsibility, criminal independence and disrespect towards the creator of the National Guard, the only legitimate president of the Republic of Georgia, Mr. Zviad Gamsakhurdia's family. Unresponsiveness confirms that against Zviad Gamsakhurdia continues not only political but also all kinds of prosecution. Zviad is in a worse condition and has not received any treatment for a year. Mrs. Manana was answered that the letter was in the review stage. Then she was sent an anonymous message. Zviad's condition is stable. On what basis, by what right, they do not give the mother, Mrs. Manana, the right to see and take care of her son? The Ministry of Defense violates the Constitution, organic laws, human rights and freedom protected by international law. They falsify events and legal acts of the state and political importance in the recent history of our country. There is a picture of the President of Georgia, Supreme Commander-in-Chief, in the reception area of the Ministry of Defense, under which in the text Zviad Gamsakhurdia is mentioned as one of the leaders of the National Liberation Movement of Georgia, while Zviad Gamsakhurdia was the only leader and with his unrelenting political, peaceful struggle, he won the independence of Georgia. The Civil War is mentioned here, which did not happen in Georgia. Thus, the Ministry of Defense hides the Russian occupation and annexation of Georgia, and the struggle of the Georgian people against the invaders is disguised as a civil war. It also spreads the false information as if the President, Supreme Commander-in-Chief, Mr. Zviad Gamsakhurdia, died under unknown circumstances. He was killed by torture, whose killers are kept secret and hidden till today. It is clear that law violations have been committed by them and they will be held accountable for these crimes with all severity, with full protection of the law.